Today's featured pickup truck is a 1978 Chevrolet C10 Silverado. And I'll read you the seller's comments at the auction. And he said 1978 Chevrolet Silverado, factory big block, 454, 400 trans, 58,500 original miles, short bed, power windows and locks, AC, original paint matched, professionally lowered, original documents to prove originality, such as Hallowell Chevrolet build sheet, sales order, and owner's manual, detailed engine with GM hoses and AC Delco. And it sold for $39,500 at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California, back in November of 2022. And it was a great looking truck. Definitely was done right. Had great miles, and the factory big block ones are pretty rare, especially the 454 ones. But anyway, that's today's featured pickup truck of the day, a 1978 Chevrolet C10 Silverado with a factory big block 454 and a turbo 400 trans with 58,500 original miles. And I sold for $39,500 at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. If you can share this video and my channel, Truck Finder, with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, I would appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos. This will take you over to my channel page, Truck Finder, and you can look for something else that looks interesting to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.